Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Elaine. Today I'm going to share my June work schedule, gratitude, and the tracker spread setup. This month I designed these Lady of Florals and the Blossom Girls sticker sheets and a matching printable. Now let's get started. First, I'm creating my work schedule page. I'm drawing a box for recording my progress on each of my tasks. Then I'm using these new mini months and the days of the week stickers that I made. This is a new arrival with a discount of 25% off now in my shop. I'm sticking this 1 to 31 number strip on the top of the chart. Then I'm sticking a French-style decorative sticker from the printable onto the left top corner. I'm putting on another notepad-style sticker on the lower right corner. On the top of the notepad, I'm adding the header, remember. Then I'm drawing some pink lines to make some spaces for writing down my tasks. I found that it's very easy to set up my bullet journal spreads with stickers and the printable. Therefore, I really like to use them. Now I'm adding some more details. I'm using a mini star stamp, then using a brown brush pen to color it as the ink to create the same brown color from my theme for this month. Then adding a lot of cute yellow and brown dots onto the bottom of the page. Here I'm drawing some more pink lines for tasks and the to-do. I'm still using these mini months and the days of the week stickers for the headers. Then I'm drawing some drop shadows for these headers. That's it for this page. Next are my gratitude and the thought spreads. First, I'm using yellow and the pink Tombow brush pens to draw some lines. I'm drawing 2 yellow lines, then 2 pink lines to add some variety onto the page. I'm sticking another 1 to 31 number strip from my mini months and the days of the week stickers on the left of the chart. Then writing the weekdays on the left of the number strip. Then decorating the top of the page with my printable stickers and the headers. Do you like this page design? Please leave your comments down below. I really appreciate your feedback on my videos and the channel. Please show some love and like this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you find these videos useful. I'm really grateful for your support. It means so much to me. Here, stamping some more stars with brown around the pages that make these pages more alive. Also, I have many free printables that I made for you. If you haven't already downloaded these printables, please check out the free download link down below. Finished! How do you like it? Lastly, I'm designing a tracker and the ideas page for my Etsy shop. I want to have a place to record my listings and the shop tasks. On the right page, I'm drawing a freestyle frame for writing down my new listing ideas. On these pages, I'd like to create more swirly lines like my cover page. If you haven't watched my cover page setup, make sure to watch my previous video. Then I'm using two Lady of Floral stickers to put onto the pages. On the left page, I'm creating a tracker with date and item boxes, then adding a tracker header on the top. Then stepping the brown stars around the pages to finish the look. That's all for this video. I hope you found some ideas to use for your own planner setup. Don't forget to check out this Lady of Florals printable and the matching sticker sheets. The link is down below. I hope you will enjoy using these designs. Stay tuned for the last video on my June weekly layouts. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!